Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Microsoft SwiftKey AI keyboard. You will go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about the application of Microsoft SwiftKey AI keyboard. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account or can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your vote.